In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Phantom wallet to your Magic Eden wallet. To get started, go ahead and open your Phantom wallet on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account and make sure that you have enough cryptocurrency in this area. Then here, go ahead and select the specific cryptocurrency that you want to send to your Magic Eden wallet. Click on the send button and select the cryptocurrency token that you want to send. Now go ahead and head over into your Magic Eden wallet. Generate the QR code or the wallet address for receiving Solana on your wallet. Once you have generated it, go ahead and copy that wallet address and paste that in this section. After you paste that wallet address and Phantom wallet have detected if it is a valid wallet address, you can go ahead and proceed on entering the amount of Solana you want to send into your Magic Eden wallet. And that's basically how you can simply send cryptocurrency from Phantom wallet to your Magic Eden wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.